Hi, I'm back and I'm going to talk about our second guest, Esha Deol. Apart from being an industry child and the heroine of my son Zaid's debut film, she is extra special to me. She is also the older daughter of our very dear friends, superstar Dharmender and dream girl Hema Malini. And Esha has inherited the best of both. Esha is also a trained Odissi and Bharatnatyam dancer, along with her sister Ahana. She is bright, quick, and she's an athletic girl and capable of really mature acting beyond her years. It's so hard to believe she's all grown up and married and running her own home today. Esha will always remain the Dhoom girl because she's like that, vibrant and happy. Hi. How nice to see you, darling. Come. So happy you came.
Hello, E.T.
Yes, thank you for that. From ED to ET.
You know, folks, she's always very rough, tough, and very strong to the outside world. But she has a heart that melts. That is why I have this very special connection with you. By the way, how is Bharat?
Bharat is doing great,
Yes.
yeah.
So you have to make time and come again to the house so we can have
We
a
will,
little,
for sure.
rollicking
Anytime.
time.
I'm happy to come and eat the food there and meet all of y'all.
But do you cook?
Yes, I have started cooking.
Vegetarian or?
I cook non-veg for my husband. I don't eat non-veg, I'm a vegetarian. But initially I had no clue when I was acting in films. I remember I was doing up my house at that time and I had no clue about a kitchen. Terrible. But when I started dating Bharat, I figured that, you know, this guy is a complete foodie and to patav him more, I need to try my hand at cooking and I succeeded.
Wow.
And I would say I'm a good cook and he enjoys my food.
You've had your time out with your husband and with everything. Now, with a pretty face like yours, we need you to be back in the films.
Well, thank you.
Yes.
Well, acting is my first passion, I would say. But, you know, I'm in a stage in my life right now where I feel that there's no need for me to prove myself anymore. I think I've done it. But if something extraordinary comes along, I definitely do it. Otherwise, I'm not going to, you know, have the patience to sit all day in the van waiting for a shot when I'm not interested in the project. I need to be passionately doing it, otherwise I will not take it.
The other day, I saw a picture of your mom. And believe me, she looks like your elder sister even now.
Yeah.
Really.
But you
She's
also,
too good.
Zarine, auntie,
But,
please,
yeah,
with
but
all your daughters, you
Thank
look like
you.
sisters.
Very sweet. But only thing I've sort of broadened a bit with my food, while she still stayed very slim and nice.
Just shot with her
mainly
recently.
because of the, I think, her dancing, right?
Yeah.
She's very disciplined.
What a lovely picture that was. So I said, who shot it? And guess what? Who else?
Yeah,
but
she
the
did.
famous Dabboo.
Mama prefers shooting with Dabboo
she
most
quite
of
a
the
lot
time.
with
Yeah.
auntie. Yeah.
So you must be shooting top stars every day, no, Dabboo?
Pretty much, yeah. In fact, Mum's shoot, which I did last week, was my first photo shoot in my new studio.
Oh,
Yeah, I moved in.
nice.
The first day I shot my kids and my mum. And the first commercial shoot was with Hema auntie. Yeah.
You don't get bored 20 years, Dabboo, and
No, I'm actually still loving it. I mean, there's still my enthusiasm.
He's also
and-
So
passionate.
each time he must be thinking of a new idea. In fact, your calendars are so much looked for. You know, I mean, when is Dabboo Ratnani's new calendar coming in?
My first time I'm shooting for Dabboo's calendar when I just started out in the industry. I was so excited. I'm like, you know, doing Dabboo's calendar and all. And I thought, like, you know, and then he takes me to natural ice cream. He gives me one ice cream and he's like, here, eat it. I'm like, this is even better because I love ice cream. So I'm, you know, licking the cone and
And we got the shot in 5 minutes.
It was a cute picture.
Yeah,
So
sweet picture.
I think mainly because you take very unusual pictures.
Yeah.
By the way, how is Dharamji? My favorite
Yeah.
and the real hunk of those days. No, I think those days they were very good-looking men. Huh?
You're going on saying, he's doing fine.
He's doing fine?
Doing good, yeah.
Tell him I'm sending all my regards and love to him.
Definitely. I'll make sure he watches us on the
Yes,
show.
absolutely.
Yes,
yes.
In fact, I've shot with him. Yeah, I've shot with him many years ago. I should plan another one. I think we should plan a new shoot
Yeah,
with
yeah,
him.
you must. He loves the camera, like
Yeah,
how
yeah.
Sanjay
Yeah.
uncle also. You shot with Dabboo, you shot recently with Sanjay Uncle, and then you shot with my dad, and you know, a lot of heroes from that time. And also, you're still shooting with, you know,
The younger
the younger
generation.
new lot like Sid Malhotra and you know, the rest. So, what do you have anything to say to the guys of today's generation about guys like my dad and Zahid's dad?
So I think earlier the shoots, they were more impromptu. You know, you used to go see the house, you see them, you know, and capture a part of their, like a little more, a slice of their life kind of a vibe. Today with the photo shoots with the younger guys, it's a little more planned in terms of, it's more concept based. It's more planned. We'll do a body shot, or we'll do a little more.
More body
Yes,
shots.
all body shots.
It's all body shots.
It's all body
So finally,
shots.
finally try to take some of their clothes off
Style.
and ganji and t-shirts. And it's different, but I think there's a charm to shoot both. I think
Those days women looked at men from here and above. Now these days women look at the abs and then they look at the face.
I hate to say that, but those days the men above looked very good.
Yeah, you didn't need to look at their bodies.
Nobody had a body that time.
Yeah, I guess that.
Yeah.
But by the way, now I think it's quite late, and let's go on to the table. And do you know
come and try our
that
food.
he has helped
Yes,
me
I'm
make
waiting for
the
that.
aloo gosht. Let's go in, but before that, you folks join us for lunch, but after the break.